All right, welcome back to another POV video. As you guys can see right now, it is snowing crazy. So right now it is about 0 degrees and Toronto is having a snowfall warning. Essentially it just means that there's gonna be a shit ton of snow. So I thought, what better than to do a POV video in circumstances like this. But anyways, yeah, I thought today would be great to make a POV video just because I haven't done one in a while, and also I don't think I've ever made a POV video in the snow before. Quick update, I actually have a new camera setup. As you guys can see, this is the Sony a7 IV, and along with the camera, the Sigma 24-70. This is actually a camera that I just bought like last month. I've been loving this camera so far. It's definitely an upgrade to the 6600. So today we're gonna be shooting on U of T campus. So I thought it would be cool just to show you guys what campus looks like, especially under the snow. And yeah, without further ado, get this POV video started and get some shots. Let's go. Usually in the beginning with every POV video, usually the first few photos are kind of shit, you know, we just gotta get warmed up. But once we get warmed up, hopefully we'll get some sick shots. this is gonna be a good spot. Let's see if we get lucky. Let's see if I ended up walking here. Nice. Sorry, go ahead. As you guys can see, this is really a test to push the A74 weather sealing. I mean, this is just like absolute bizarre condition to shoot in. Camera's all soaked, lens is all wet, but we're still going. Oh damn. Okay. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna take a little bit break because I can't feel my fingers anymore, but I'll probably be back. Alright guys, so I took my break longer than I thought, but now we're out here and it's already getting dark, which kind of sucks. But yeah, which kind of sucks. But yeah, I've already had enough shots today. It's getting kind of cold now, so I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hopefully I got some cool shots today. I think I definitely have at least 1 or 2 decent ones, but in the meantime, we're heading out. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments below which photo is your favorite. Until then folks, thank you for watching, really appreciate it, and stay warm guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.